Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos, we take a look at Bitcoin and everything going on in the cryptocurrency world, including what's going on in the news. So let's see what's happening with Bitcoin today. And if you've been paying any attention at all, you can continue to watch Bitcoin rise. Here we are at 6,500 USD, all-time high again today as we get closer to the SegWit 2x hard fork. It's getting pretty incredible to watch. I mentioned yesterday that if you had Bitcoin and you didn't want to put it into altcoins, it's very understandable as we see this rise. It's hard to pull your money out of something that's doing so well. But as we look at the cryptocurrency market cap board, you can see there is another contender here, and that is Bitcoin Cash. 12.24%. It was at a 13% high today for the 24-hour. Pretty incredible to see this happening. We hit the $500 mark. So this is continuing to rise, and we've seen that with a few peaks in the news, specifically the hard fork. CoinDesk released this about an hour ago. Bitcoin Cash outlook improves as traders greet new code release. What is the code release? Well, this was coming out of Bitcoin ABC. Now they just released this recently as well, and basically it's to do with the hard fork that will be commencing, or I should say, initiating on November 13th. Now the code was released yesterday, but it won't be fully activated, giving others a chance to upgrade their software to the 0.16 version. But let's take a look more specifically at what this is. I won't go too much into detail. I'll leave this link for you. But basically, the original Bitcoin Cash EDA, as it says here, allowed Bitcoin Cash to survive as a minority chain, but produces wild fluctuations of hash rate. So this is problematic because it prevents consistently fast confirmations for users and radically shifts the coin's issuance schedule. So what will they be changing in this? Well, basically, they're going to be making this automatic. So no matter what the difficulty rate is, Bitcoin Cash will adjust for that. So it will adjust difficulty to hash rate to target a mean block interval of 600 seconds, avoid sudden changes in difficulty when the rate is fairly stable. So it's basically this adjusting difficulty that's the magic key here. So it's really going to allow for Bitcoin Cash to stay resilient to any type of attacks or any huge fluctuation in hash rate and difficulty, so that it can be immediately adjusted. That way the miners can kind of take advantage of the fees and really get on board with mining Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin ABC is going to work with major exchanges and wallet providers to make sure that they're all up to speed, but as you can see, this is not affecting the market negatively. In fact, it's actually looking quite good. It's just, really telling the market that the developers are working hard to ensure that Bitcoin Cash is a stable coin with a big, bright future ahead of it. So I'm going to keep an eye on this, and I'll keep continuing to make videos about Bitcoin Cash. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also in the news, Trezor. If you're not familiar with Trezor, it's a hardware wallet to store your coins. They've just released a new version of this, so you can head on over to the site if you're interested. Pre-order Trezor. It's a pre-order button here, and I'll just open up the price for you. It is in euros, so it's 129 euros, and it looks like shipping is going to be through DHL for around 24 euros. So you're looking at about 150 euros when it's all completed. But depending on where you live, it looks like they got a ton of different options here. So check that out if you're interested. And again, if you're looking at Bitcoin to purchase, check out Quadriga CX. I can highly recommend this exchange. I'll leave a link for you as well, especially if you're looking to trade. Their prices are generally a little bit higher, so if you're using other exchanges to buy, you can come into Quadriga CX, store some of your coins, and maybe do some trading there. I'll leave a link. Really recommend it. Otherwise, keep an eye on Bitcoin because it will continue to rise as we get closer to the hard fork, and I will also be watching that. So hit that subscribe button and follow along as we do daily videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.